Hello everybody, welcome to Andy's World. Wish you all Merry Christmas. So we're almost approaching Christmas. We've just the beginning of December. So thought I'll just share how to make rava laddus with you for this Christmas. For this, heat a pan, add around 2 tablespoons of ghee. Once the ghee is melted, add in dry fruits. I'm adding cashews and raisins. So these nuts have to be roasted into slight golden brown. You don't have to wait until they turn completely brown. Now it's time to add in our rava or semolina. I've taken 500 grams. We need to roast this rava on medium flame for the next 20 minutes. You need to roast this continuously. To know when it is roasted, the color will slightly change from white to cream and the aroma would be released. Don't let the rava burn. It should just be in the same color, the white color, but it will be slightly roasted. So the rava is nicely roasted. I'm roasting it from the past 20 minutes. Now let's add in 1 whole cup of grated copra or dry coconut. So now we need to roast the dry coconut and the semolina or the rava very well together. If you see, the color has changed to light cream and I'm getting a lovely aroma released, and the rava is flowing freely, which means it needs to be separated from each other and nicely cooked. Time to add in some sweetness. Yes, sugar. You can use around 150 grams of sugar, powdered or normal sugar. Here I have powdered some cardamom along with the sugar and I've added into the rava. Now let's give this a good mix. I've added a pinch of salt now. So any sweet you make, add a pinch of salt will actually enhance the sweetness. Now the quantity of sugar purely depends on your sweetness. If you want too sweet, you can increase it. If you want little sweet, you can decrease the quantity of sugar. So let's mix this well. As you're mixing, the sugar will slowly start giving up some moisture. So don't add any milk now. Later on you can add milk to get that softness of your rava. The sugar is nicely mixed in with the rava. Now let's add in moisture, which is milk. I'm going to use 1 whole cup of warm milk, maybe 100 ml. Don't use all at a time. Add little by little and keep mixing. So if it is required, you can add more. So I've added around 3 to 4 tablespoons of milk and I'm mixing it slowly. Now it's well combined. Let's see if the mixture is in the right consistency. Take a little bit of rava and see if you're able to make a lump. It still needs some moisture as we couldn't give it a shape. So add in some more milk. Be careful when you're doing this test, it's real hot. You'll burn your hands. Let's add in the remaining milk little by little and keep mixing. So I've added the entire set of milk, a total of 100 ml of milk. If you need more, you can add it, but don't make it too watery. So give it a good mix. Now let's add in ghee. While the mixture is still warm, add in ghee. Now mix it well. It's become nice, soft and moist. Color is also nicely changed to a lovely cream. And it's nice and soft. This is the right consistency for us to make laddus out of it. So let's test. See, now we can hold the shape. So while it is still warm, let's make small laddus out of it. So I have removed it from fire and transferred it into a bowl. Now let's make small laddus. As per the size you want. If you add a lot of nuts, it will be very tasty because when you eat it, you will bite into the nuts. So I have generally added a lot of nuts. So make small fine balls and you can leave it on a plate. Hope you all loved this recipe. This is a very easy recipe, especially in South India. This can be found in any occasion at home. So this Christmas or during your holidays, try this rava laddus. Very easy and delicious, sweet, and it is very simple to be prepared. Hope you all enjoyed this video. Follow the same steps as shown and leave your comments below. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe and click on the bell icons for notifications of all my videos. Please like and share it with your family and friends and enjoy this recipe at home with your family. Merry Christmas to all of you. See you with an exciting recipe. Until then, take care. Bye bye.